human engineering combined with artificial intelligence. Lighter, smarter products. And here is a huge potential that can revolutionize not just the products that we're providing, but also the way we work.
It's about finding ways to extend the range beyond anything that we thought possible. One way to do that is to make the vehicle as light as possible. That's where generative design comes in, using artificial intelligence to design structures that are lighter and stronger than anything we thought possible.
We have been looking for something that would really represent our company's DNA.
The goal of the Type 20 is to provide a platform for us to show really cutting-edge technology in a really emotionally impactful way.
It is the very classic Volkswagen bus, which stands for the heritage of our company, of our company's values, bringing people together on their journey, providing individual mobility and freedom.
It was amazing to see how the software worked and how quickly it worked, how just a couple inputs could get us like literally hundreds of results. It was staggering.
The generative design process lets you optimize for different manufacturing methods, like CNCing the wheels from metal or casting them from molten metal.
One of the biggest surprises for me was seeing just how much material you could remove from a conventional wheel structure.
When the final rims arrived here on site, it was kind of like Christmas morning. The whole team was excited to open the box and see how these really look. I'm really proud of the team here that we were able to put this thing together and show our vision of the future of both the company and of the automotive industry.